Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, Jeep enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Jeep Wrangler steering wheel for optimal comfort and control. First, locate the adjustment lever, usually found directly beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down to unlock the steering wheel. Now, you can easily move the wheel up or down to find your ideal height. Once you have it set, push the lever firmly back into its original position to lock the wheel securely in place. This simple step takes only a few seconds. Beyond just tilting, some modern Jeep Wrangler models offer a telescopic adjustment, allowing you to change the steering wheel's distance from you. You'll use the very same lever to unlock this feature. Once unlocked, gently pull the steering wheel towards your body or push it away until your arms have a comfortable, slight bend at the elbows. This ensures proper control and reduces strain during longer drives. Remember to lock the lever firmly once you've found your perfect reach. Finding your ideal driving position is crucial for both safety and long-term comfort. Begin by sitting with your back fully against the seat, ensuring proper lumbar support. When holding the steering wheel, your wrists should comfortably rest on the top of the wheel, indicating a good arm reach. Always make sure you have a clear and unobstructed view of your entire instrument cluster. Additionally, ensure your knees have a slight bend when fully pressing the pedals, allowing for quick and effective braking. For your safety, always adjust your steering wheel only when your Jeep Wrangler is completely stationary. Before you begin driving, double-check that the steering wheel is firmly locked and does not move freely. A properly adjusted steering wheel significantly improves your vehicle control and handling, especially during unexpected maneuvers. It also greatly reduces driver fatigue on longer journeys and, importantly, enhances the effectiveness of your airbag system in the event of a collision. Drive safely and comfortably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.